Lord Jesus, my heart is grieved now. They have made me suffer because I'm a Christian. I don't know what to do. Show me your path.
See this imbecile animal. He is headstrong. He doesn't want to leave it. Today we will see which of us two is chief here. Bongale!
Yes, boss.
Come here. Go and get this square of the priests. Square of the priests. I told you to take this bad thing from your neck. You don't want to obey. Today you are going to learn what a whip is.
Boss, what wrong did I do to you to get it? What wrong did I do to you?
Bongale, it is you who are going to whip him. Boss, my arm hurts. If you don't strike him, I'll whip you hard in his place. Understood?
Understood, boss.